Hello everyone and welcome. It's been a long while since I've made a video about anything house related, and this is gonna be a different kind of video. It's just going to be an update and it's going to contain a bit of Warhammer as well. So stick around till the end. But I have some pretty big updates. Before I get started and show you the final product, so to speak, because again, it's an update, I just wanted to make sure we're on the same page, and there's going to be a whole lot of rant in the next videos because I tried to find people to work with around the house for a certain job, and that was apparently impossible to do. So, without further ado, I had to come up with ingenious solutions, and by me, I mean my wife. She gets full credit for this. So let me just show. This is my technical room. Here will be the boiler / heating for the house. And as you can tell, the walls look quite different because they used to look like that. And now they look like this. They're fully straight. Well, as straight as I can make them. They have a little wobble to them, but too little to be noticed by the naked eye or even by a person standing right next to it with their hands. So this is just drywall, literally glued to the wall. Not glued, but with cement. So it's just put there and it stays perfectly fine and it's straight and it's level. Because all of the contractors that we tried to find were simply not willing to do the job for the amount that they usually request, because it's a difficult job to do only the top floor of a house, and it's too little pay and other many reasons. But yes, this is the drywall section. This is some of the drywall that we had for our bathroom. We swapped it because one, it's a little ancient, you can tell by it, because it has been a few years since it was bought, and we left it out and it sort of stayed in the sun a little bit, but it shouldn't affect it at any time, other than the aesthetics, and which is going to be covered up by paint anyway, so it doesn't really matter. So we took that and we made a trial run and we plastered and we smoothed out these walls in the technical room. This wall was left like this because one, it has all of the electrical going through it, and I'm going to make some support and come with the drywall a bit forward so that it covers all of the wiring and everything, so there's no point in me doing straight on the wall. That's for the wall. And right now I am just waiting for the next shipment of drywall to continue plastering around the house. Now, of course, unfortunately, nobody around here does emptying of the truck of construction materials when they deliver. Unless, of course, those materials can be easily picked up by crane and just dropped in your yard, and best of luck from there. So, again, I don't have an engineering degree, but I did study a lot of physics in school. So I'm a little versed in how things work. So we made some modifications. We came up with these ideas. And let me just show you. So right now I took a bit of the railing from our terrace, and I put my ladder to make an inclined plane, and I bought a winch. So this thing just picks up the sheets from there and just simply drags them all the way up here, where I can easily take them from here and manipulate them wherever I want in the house. That's it. So, what do you think? Is this gonna work? It already did for 3 times. Hopefully I will be able to easily put that ladder on the truck that comes to deliver the things, and I can easily get them up here. I'll have an update for that when the truck gets here and how we're going to do this. And now for the tiny Warhammer update. So first up, we're in the upstairs and everything has been moved. So including my office from all the way there, that's going to be my office. Right now we're going to go down the stairs in my new office slash workshop. And I want to show you a tiny bit of an update. Hopefully I have lights. Oh, good. I have lights because it's a little dark in here. And let me just show you, because I have been a very busy boy. Okay. So, look at all this that I have to do an update on. These are new Space Wolves. These are old assembled Space Marines. And there's even more in here. Lots of blood claws. Oh, good grief, God almighty. And lots of bits that need to be painted because... And this is not all of them. These guys still need assembly. So yes, I am technically in holiday mode for the next few weeks. And I will be doing a lot of housework and a lot of hobbying work. So stick around. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share it with a friend. Bye-bye. I'll see you in the next one.